Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Sara and today I'm going to talk about top 10 work from home jobs which are in demand in 2023. Whether you're thinking to career change or just thinking to try some new opportunities for you or just want to start a work from home job as a side hustle, this video is going to help you. I will give you 10 work from home ideas which you can start from your own home. If you have skills for any of these jobs, you can start right now, or there are different courses available on internet which you can learn and then start. The first work from home idea in my list today is virtual bookkeeper or virtual accountant. This job involves managing finances remotely for your clients. As we can see, more businesses are going digital, so there is more demand for virtual bookkeepers or accountants. You can find these jobs on different websites like Upwork, Fiverr, Indeed, Remote.co, FlexJob, Monster, and many more. The second job you can do from home is virtual event planner. This job involves planning and coordinating events like webinars, conferences, and meetings. The next on my list is virtual customer service representative. As we can see that more businesses are going online, so they need more people to support their customers online. There are many opportunities available online. You can find on the websites, again, I have mentioned before, and you will find loads of people looking for customer services representatives. If you have experience as customer service representative, you can find an online job for that. Even if you don't have any experience, some companies are hiring without any experience. They give you the basic training and they get you ready for the role. The next job I'm going to share is social media manager. As a social media user, you can see that more and more businesses are using social media to increase the number of their customers for their services or products. As the number of businesses using social media to promote their business is increasing, so is increasing the demand for social media managers. This job involves managing a business's social media presence, scheduling the content, and also analyzing the engagement. You can see many jobs online for the role of social media manager. If you're not experienced in this, you can get qualification even for free. If you have any qualification or a certification or any experience for this job, you can apply for social media manager. And if you don't have any experience or any qualification for this role, but you have some social media platforms like pages or accounts where you have good number of subscribers and with good engagement, you can use it as your experience. So showing your clients that how good you're doing on your social media platform, it can give them idea that how good you can do for their social media account. The next online job idea in my list is online tutoring. We can see more businesses are going digital. Same is with education. With the rise of remote learning and online education, there is increased demand for online tutors and teachers. If you are good at a subject or you have a qualification and experience of teaching, you can apply for the online teaching and tutoring job. There are different websites where you can find the jobs for online tutor such as Schooly, Chegg, Tutor.me, and Varsity Tutor. If you have experience, that's perfect, but if you don't have experience, you can still try and get a job. The number 6 work from home job idea is graphic designing. With the increasing importance of visual content, there is a big demand for graphic designers. This job involves creating visual content such as logos, marketing materials, and social media graphics. You can find the jobs for graphic designers on websites like 99 Designs and Fiverr. The next job or work you can start from home is website developing. If you are good at website developing, you can get an online job for that, or you can start your own website telling others that you are working as a website developer and people can contact you to get your services. If you don't know how to develop a website, there are many different courses available online where you can learn website developing, or there are many different YouTube channels showing the whole process of how you can develop websites. You can learn how to develop websites from these YouTube channels or from some free or paid courses and start selling your services. Website developers nowadays are earning good money. They not only develop website, but they also get paid for editing and updating them afterwards. The next is freelance writer. You can become a freelance writer if you are good at writing. You can write blogs and articles and product description for businesses. Or if you're good at internet and good at editing, you can try ChatGPT to write the articles, the blogs and product descriptions and other social media content for you, which you can edit and sell it to your customers. The number 9 job you can do from home is virtual assistant. This job involves providing administrative support to your clients. If you have experience of working in a physical office as office assistant or any kind of this job, you can apply for a virtual job for the same role. You can use your office experience as your experience, and you can tell your clients how good you are and how you have been working in your CV. There are different platforms you can check online. I have mentioned before, you can check the jobs on Indeed, Read and Monster jobs. The last job I'm going to share today, the number 10 on my list, is e-commerce specialists. This job involves managing online channels like eBay and Amazon, as well as creating and managing e-commerce websites. Thank you so much for watching. Look after yourself and other people around you. Bye.